Now then,
Hello there.
today we're looking at the excellent Mandalorian theme tune composed by Ludwig Göransson. So, you sat there with your ice cream, vibing out to the Mando theme, when this sweet sound happens. What is that? Well, that is a Neapolitan chord. What's a Neapolitan chord? Why is it so damn tasty? Let's find out.
This is the way.
This is the way.
So let's break this down by starting out with like a bland sequence, and we'll add the flavour as we go. So this tune is in good old standard C minor. And like a typical chord sequence in this key would be a 1, 4, 5. And that would be minor chords, and it would look like this. C minor, F minor, G minor, back home to C minor. So, it's alright. The one trouble with it is the 5 minor chord, that G minor, when returning home, it's got a weak resolution. There's just no tension. You could say it's too vanilla. So here we are to the chocolate, and that comes in the form of borrowing a chord from our exotic pal, the harmonic minor. So the natural minor sounds like this. The harmonic minor has a raised 7th, and it sounds like this. So its 5 chord is not G minor, it's G major or G dominant 7th. So going back to our vanilla sequence. Now let's add the G7 from harmonic minor, the chocolate. Nice. So we have a much stronger resolution from 5 to 1. But perhaps now the 4 chord, the F minor, is weak. Let's add even more flavour.
Do it.
Adding strawberry into the mix will give us the full Neapolitan flavour. Let's have a look at that F minor chord. It's got an F, A flat, C in it. What can we do to make this more exciting? Well, this C note, that's the tonic of the key. We're in C minor. So how about we raise that to D flat? So this gives us an F, A flat, B flat. This is the Neapolitan chord. So it's basically an inverted D flat chord. And its name comes from the Baroque period, and often in first inversion you'll see it written as the Neapolitan 6th.
Now that's a name I've not heard in a long time.
And that's just because there's a 6th interval in it. So if we go back to the vanilla sound, let's hear the difference. Let's go full Neapolitan. The tension profile is increased. We get a way flavoursome sound. So how does this even work? Well, if we look at the chords and all the notes within them, we see this chromatic line that runs between them all. So it starts with a C, and then it moves up a semitone to D flat, down to B, then back up to C. With the chords in now. So the next time you're vibing out to the Mando theme in your Jedi Jim Jams, just think of our flavoursome friend, the Neapolitan corn.
Oh boy.
We would be honored if you would join us.